Hello, well, welcome back to my budget content creation video series. I'm using the same setup, the same camera, the same lighting, everything else. If you are not aware what we're talking about, check the episode 1 and episode 2 of this series, and you will learn all about it. Today is how to record out of camera audio with spending $0, hopefully, €0, £0, just by using your mobile phone. So the combination is as follows. Your camera, any camera, in this case it's the 600D as you know, make sure that you are recording in camera audio. Make sure you are recording in camera audio, okay? This requires some setup. This requires that you do have nothing connected to the mic input of your camera if you are using if you sometimes use some sort of external audio capture. But if you have nothing, don't worry. Just make sure you are capturing audio in camera and you are using some sort of recording software on your phone. In my case, I use Easy Voice Recorder Pro. You can use whatever software you want. You can even use the built-in voice recording software of your phone. Just get your phone, get some recording done, and you are good to go. Next, start recording on your camera and on your phone. It doesn't have to be the exact same time. You can start one, then the other. And then you need to make sure that you do 3 or 4 loud noises like, or you put the phone down. This is going to be very useful for our next step, which is in post-production, to synchronize the audio, because now we have 2 audio sources, the audio source from your camera and the audio source from your phone. So this is going to be the second part of this video. We're going to take the footage from the camera, what you're seeing now, and the in-camera audio that we call scratch audio. Sorry. That we call scratch audio, which is a less quality audio from the camera, but can be used to synchronize from a more trustworthy or better source. And also, if your external recording device fails, you always have the camera audio to fall back on. So it's a very useful thing to have, the in-camera audio always recording. Just have a failsafe or an easy tool to make your life a little bit easier in post-production. So at this point, just to review, I'm capturing image with the camera and I'm capturing audio with my phone, and it's basically 0 equals to 0 thingies, 0 thingamajiggies, because I already had the phone. Everybody has a phone nowadays. It doesn't have to be your main phone, any phone will do. Some audio software, recording software in your phone, and the in-camera footage with the in-camera audio, and the rest of the magic occurs while editing, which is the thing we're going to do right now. Welcome to this part of the video. We're going to teach you how to synchronize audio with video when they come from 2 different sources. So I'm going to get scratch audio from the camera and I'm going to synchronize that with the external audio source. Once you have the VSync Resolve open, okay, and the VSync Resolve, I like the VSync Resolve, it's free and it's very powerful. There is no reason for no one to use it. Amateurs, advanced users, and especially people working on a budget, which is kind of this video series goal. It's free. Just use it. Okay? Cool. Now, I have my files here, my audio file and my video file. So I'm going to drag my audio file to simply drag it to the audio portion, which is the lower part. Just drag it. DaVinci Resolve is going to put kind of snap where it should be. And then just put this on the beginning. Okay? And just go there. Snap, and you should be good to go, and then we play. Hello, well, welcome back to my budget content creation. Looks nice or sounds nice. That's just increase the audio a little bit, a little boost. So just click that line there and just pull it up, or just use this volume, this bar here, to get it a little bit louder or lower depending on situation. Video series. It's great. Using the same setup. It's just coming out from one side. It's mono, so right click, clip attributes, audio, and switch from mono to stereo, and here just add the same channel again and it should be stereo. The same camera, the same lighting, everything else. If you are not aware what we're talking about, check the episode 1 and episode 2 of this series, and you will learn all about it. Today is how. So everything is looking great. So our audio is here. I'm sorry, I'm under the weather. Now we drag the video file, just drag it here, and the Resolve is going to snap things into place, okay? So just don't overlap your audio file from the video with the audio file from your recorder or mobile phone, and just snap it here at the beginning. Just don't overdo things.
and don't overlap things. Yeah, there's a hole here, but don't worry too much. We can fix it later. So let's play back.
Hello, well, welcome back to my budget content creation video series.
Okay, so my camera audio is too low. Let's boost it. Let's boost it because I like to record it low for my reasons.
I'm using the same setup, the same camera.
As you can see, they are out of sync, which is expected because they were started at different moments. So let's just go a little bit forward where I see some spikes on the audio. And do you see these spikes there? This thing I recommend you guys to do in the video. You actually should do that at the beginning, not at the middle, but I'm stupid and I just forget. So let's listen to myself again.
Loud noises like, or we put the phone down.
Okay, you should do this at the beginning of the video, not in the middle. Okay, at the beginning, not in the middle. Okay, but that's just fine. Now, you do that in the beginning, which is what we want. And now you're going to put your scratch bar here on the first clap. You can just zoom in a little bit. Your scratch bar, you put it in the first clap. Okay, you put that in your first clap here. Okay, so this is going to allow us to synchronize. Let's put it a little bit smaller. Now you're going to synchronize these two with that one. So I'm going to drag this here. And as you can see, I'm unable to drag. Why? Because there is no space at the beginning. That's why you should actually do this in the beginning. But you can just put the cursor there, make the video a little bit shorter. Let's put it somewhere in the beginning of the audio. It should be good enough. You go back where we were, and you're going to align the spikes. Okay, now both audios should be in sync. Let's unmute this one. Let's unmute this track. And now you can mute the camera again and see if everything's...
This is going to be very useful.
Already, it's already in sync. So I'm going to hit the home button, okay? And I'm going to seek where I want this to start.
Hello, well,
and this should start somewhere here. I'm going to do this like this. And everything should be in sync.
Hello, well, welcome back to my budget.
Perfect. So this is the audio I want to keep. This is the audio I want to scrap. So since this track, it's linked to that track there, we're going to right click and untick this one. So now I can click independently these two. I'm going to click the audio track from the camera. I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to click the video track and I'm going to pull it down just so that gap disappears. Then I'm going to click both using the control. So I'm going to hit control, both files, right click and link clips. And now...
Hello, well, welcome back to my budget content creation video series. I'm using the same setup.
So great, so
good.
Good.
The same lighting, everything else. If you are not aware what we're talking about, check the episode 1 and episode 2.
Look at that. It's working great. So I can just pull this here to the beginning. All right. And it's done. Now, if you can boomify this a little bit. This is just optional. I have here some plugins. These VRT plugins allows me to do so. I'm just going to do it without commenting. Just for, it is not part of the video. They are just some add-ons I use to my audio stuff. I'm going to drag it here. This is going to give me you can just search for this RealCube. Doesn't really matter too much, but you can Google for it and install it. Then I can just boomify this a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of bass and a little bit of highs, just a smidgen.
I'm using the same setup, the same camera, the same lighting, everything else. If you are not aware what we're talking about, check the episode 1 and episode 2 of the series, and you will learn all about it. Today is how to record out of camera audio with spanning 0.
Okay, as you can see now, it's clipping a little bit. Let's just fall back a little bit.
The episode 1 and episode 2 of the series, and you will learn all about it. Today is how to record out of camera audio with spending $0, hopefully, €0, £0, just by using your mobile phone. So the combination is as follows: your camera, any camera.
So I have done this millions of times, and I still get really impressed with the results. Simple mobile phone, and you are recording off camera with a mobile phone, to spend, I don't know, 30 seconds once you master the procedure, synchronizing your audio, and you are perfectly good to go, and you have perfectly good audio. Of course, you can add to your mobile phone your lav mic. You can just add it here to your lav mic, and you can even make it even better. But the idea here is just to make things simple. But if you wish, just get a compatible lav mic that is compatible with your phone, connect it, and you are lapelling your mic here. So use your imagination right now. You know many techniques with this video and the previous ones. Now you can actually get good, excellent audio of your video, because everybody can tolerate good audio with bad video, but not the other way around. Okay, good video with bad audio, it's very hard to tolerate. So get your audio going and then focus on your imaging, especially because audio, it's so cheap to get it right. As you can see, you just need your phone. You don't need fancy stuff like this. You don't really need it. You just get your phone out and you can do it with your phone and you are good to go. Get DaVinci Resolve, it's free, and master this technique. Watch this video over and over again and you can master this technique, and you can use your mobile phone to record. If you want to take this further, of course you can connect a lav mic here, or you can connect even a wireless mic. The receiver of this mic allows me to connect it to my phone, but that's just complicating, or not, depends on you. You know all the techniques, you know how to apply them. Now there is no excuse not to have good audio on your videos. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ask any questions if you have any, so I can help you out. And I'll see you in the next video of this series and all the other series I make in this video. Lenses, camera lenses, of course, analog cameras, digital cameras, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.